Okay, Anita Brake fills a large helium balloon with 2.18 grams of helium gas. How many moles of helium is this? What is the pressure in the balloon if the gas occupies a volume of 12.05 liters? How many moles is that? Okay, so it's 2.18 grams. So 2.18 grams divided by 4.003 grams per mole. 2.18 divided by 4.003 is 0.54459 moles. Is there any moles? I don't know. Okay, let's see. What is the pressure at 18 Celsius? Beware. Oh, what is that pressure in atmospheres? What is the gauge pressure? Oh my gosh. This is just like too much stuff. Okay. All right, so let's just figure this out. So we're going to go Puvnert. All right. 12.05 liters. Okay, so the pressure is what we're trying to find. Okay, so I'm going to go pressure. Our volume is, we have to divide that by 1,000, right? So it's 0.01205 cubic meters. Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, yes. All right, so again, 1,000 liters. You got to divide this by 1,000. Okay, the moles are 0.54459, that being just this, right? Okay, R is 8.31, 18 Celsius, we got to turn that into kelvins, right? So 18 plus. All right, and I think we're good to go. We can find the pressure. Okay, so I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to take that number that's on my calculator, go times 8.31 times parentheses 18 plus 273.15, and then divide by 0.01205. Oh, that's a big number. Okay, so let's see. My pressure is, this is supposed to be like a divider, is, 109. Would it kill him to put a comma in this thing? 345.69 pascals. All right, there's a comma there. 109,000. 101,000 it seems like is an atmosphere. Anyway, okay, so let's see. Did we get that right? We did. Okay, so there it is, right? There's our answer there. We got that. Then it says, how much is that in atmospheres? So let's turn it into atmospheres. So let's go 109,345.69 divided by 1.013 times 10 to the 5th. This is pascals per atmosphere. And, oops, this is pascals, right? Notice if we divide pascals by pascals per atmosphere, we'll end up with atmospheres. There's no need to multiply by another thing here. So we're going to divide by 1.013 E5, and I get 1.08, 1.079 ATM. And then it says, what's the gauge pressure in pascals and atmospheres? Well, it's easy to do it in atmospheres, right? If something's in atmospheres and they want the gauge pressure, just subtract an atmosphere, right? So that the answer is 0.079 ATM, and that's gauge, right? It's 0.079 ATM above 1 atmosphere, okay? So there's that answer, and then we want to turn that into pascals. I think what we do is just multiply by 1.013, okay? So subtract, you subtract 1, you subtract 1 atmosphere. In this case, in atmospheres, it's 1, and then that gives you the gauge pressure, right? Okay, and then let's figure it out in pascals. The gauge pressure in pascals is 0.079. That's the same number here. 42, whatever, whatever's on my calculator, right? Times 1.013 times 10 to the 5th pascals. So this is atmospheres, right? This is pascals per atmosphere. This will give us pascals, right? So times 1.013 E5. And I get that the gauge pressure gauge is 8045.69 pascals. All right. Poor Anita.